students, now I'm going to start question number 7 of exercise 10.3. Now question number 7 says a room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? Suppose this is the floor of the room, okay, which is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. What we have to find that how many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room. Now to find that how many square meter carpet is needed to cover the floor, we need to know the area of the floor, okay, because whatever be the area of the room, that will be equal to the carpet needed. So we have to find the area of the floor, which will be equal to the carpet needed to cover of the floor, right? So we'll write length is equals to 4 meter and breadth is equals to 3 meter 50 centimeters. So here we have the two different units, so we will have to make it same. So 3 meter will remain same. We'll just convert 50 centimeter to meter. Now we know that 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter. So 1 centimeter is equals to 1 by 100 meter and 50 centimeter will be 50 by 100 meter. So to convert from centimeter to meter, we need to divide by 100. Okay. Now here 3 will remain same. Now here we have 2 zeros. So we will have to put the decimal after 2 digits. It's 0.50. Now when you will add this to 3 can be written as 3.00, and with this if you add 0.50, then you will get 0.0 is 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, then we have point, then 3 plus 0 is 3. So it's 3.50 meter. Now we will have to find the area of the floor. Which is length into breadth. So length is 4 meter and breadth is 3.50 meter. Now we will multiply these two. So 3.40 multiplied by 4. So it's 4 zeros are 0, 4 5s are 20, 0 2 carry, 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. Now after 2 digit we have the decimal, so here also we'll keep 2 digit and then we will put the decimal. So it's 14.00, which can be written as 14 only, and meter into meter is meter square. So area of the floor is 14 meter square. So how many square meter of carpet is needed? It will be 14 meter square, because whatever be the area, that will be equal to the carpet needed. So it will be 14 meter square. We'll write therefore carpet required is 14 meter square. So 14 meter square carpet will be required to cover the floor of the room, which is of length 4 meter and breadth 3 meter 50 centimeter. Okay, now coming to next question. Now question number 8 says a floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. So this is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. So this is the floor. Okay, this is the floor. Now a square carpet of side 3 meter is laid on the floor. Suppose this is the square carpet. Okay, this is the square carpet of side 3 meter. So this is also 3 meter, this is also 3 meter, because this is the square carpet. So all the sides of a square are same. So if this is 3 meter, this also will be 3 meter. Now we will have to find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. Now from the figure it is easily understand that which part is not carpeted. This part is not carpeted, this orange part. Okay. So how to find this part? If you get to know the area of the floor and area of the carpet, if you subtract these two, then we'll be getting this portion which is not carpeted. Okay, so at first we will find the area of the floor. So we'll write area of the floor is side into side. So here length is 5 meter and breadth is 4 meter. So 5 4s are 20 and meter into meter is meter square. So this is the area of the floor. Now we will find the area of the carpet. Area of the carpet is given in the shape of a square. So all side will remain same. So area of the carpet will be side into side. So side is 3 meter. So we'll write 3 meter into 3 meter. So 3 3s are 9 and meter into meter is meter square. Now we have got to know the area of the floor and as well as the area of the carpet. Now if you subtract these two, we'll get the portion which is not carpeted. We'll get to know the area of the portion which is not carpeted. So we'll write, therefore, area of the floor is not carpeted is 20 meter square minus 9 meter square. So 20 minus 9, 10 minus 9 is 1. So it will be 11. So 11 meter square is the area which is not carpeted. Now question number 9 says 5 square flower beds each of side 1 meter are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? So here are the 5 square flower beds, okay, each of side 1 meter. And the land, this is the land of length 5 meter and 4 meter wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? So here this is the land, and on this land there are 5 square flower bed of each side 1 meter dug on a piece of land. We will have to find that what is the area remaining part of the land, means we will have to find the white portion, area of the white portion. So at first we need to know the area of the land. So area of the land is length into breadth. So here length is 5 meter and breadth is 4 meter. So 5 4s are 20 and meter into meter, meter square. Now we will have to find the area of 1 square flower bed. Now as this is in the shape of a square, so all sides are same. So area of 1 flower bed is, since it is in the shape of a square, so it will be, area will be side into side. So side is 1 meter. So it's 1 meter multiplied by 1 meter. So 1 into 1, 1, and meter into meter is meter square. So this is the area of the 1 flower bed. Now here we can see that 5 square flower beds are there. Okay, that means if area of 1 flower bed is 1 meter square, so what will be the area of 5 flower beds? So it's 5 into 1. That means area of the 5 square flower bed will be 5 meter square. Now total area of the land is 20 meter square. So from the total area, if you subtract the area of 5 flower beds, then we'll get to know the area of the remaining part of the land, which is the white portion. So we'll write area of the remaining part is the area of the total land, which is 20 meter square, minus the area of the 5 square bed. 5 plus area of the 5 square flower bed is 5 meter square. So if you subtract 20 minus 5, we'll get 15. So it's 15 meter square, and 15 meter square is the area of this white portion, means the area of the remaining part of the land. So what we have observed, that to get the area of the remaining part, at first we have to find the we have to find the area of the land, okay, which is 20 meters square. And then we need to know that area covers by 5 flower beds. And when you subtract the area of the 5 square flower bed from the area of the total land, then we'll get the area of the remaining part. Okay, so this was all about question number 9. Thank you, students.